Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to share screen in Google Meet. So here, as you can see, I have joined a meeting in Google Meet. So basically, if you want to share screen on Google Meet, you need to make sure that you have a permission to share your screen. So you can check if you have a permission to share screen right here. So from here, you can click on the three dots, and here you'll find if you have a permission to share your screen. So basically, just need to click on the present now button right here in the middle. So you can click on this one with arrow icon. So if you click on this one, as you can see, it will show you this option. So you can just choose right here what to share with your Google Meet. You can click on Chrome tab, window, or the entire screen. So here, for example, I want to share my entire screen right here. So they will be able to see the content of my screen. So yeah, that's how you basically share your screen on Google Meet. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.